though, bro.
You're not using that word.
No! Your finger bang or what?
Got some snacks?
Open your head. It's vegan. No! He's gonna blame me. He's gonna blame me. And they're gonna give me more days of probation. Oh, you felt the earth shaking? You hold out.
Oh, boy!
No!
Boy, she put all that weight on the floor.
I almost had it. I wasn't ready for that. I wasn't ready.
Hey, yo! We didn't even get... Crime scene over there.
Y'all niggas got finger bang. Water cake in my eye!